Class XP. In this video, I will be sharing practical tips on how to answer common interview questions in English effectively. Let's get started. 1. Tell me about yourself. How to answer? This question is often the first one asked during a job interview. You can explain your name, age, educational background, relevant skill for the position you're applying for, and any work experience, internship, or organizational experiences that support your skill. Make sure your answer aligns with the CV you previously submitted to the interviewer. Example to answer. My name is Hikmah. I'm 20 years old. I'm graduating from Universitas Negara Prasta PGRI with minor counseling and guidance. I have had several teaching experience in the past. Before I graduated from university, I worked as a preschool teacher for 2 years. I have also actively participated in community service in slum areas in Bandung, providing guidance and counseling to kids in the area since my second years of university. Number 2, what are your strengths and weaknesses? How to answer? When the interviewer asks this question, they want to know about your positive and negative strengths. So, when preparing for the interview, make sure you research what kind of person is suitable for this job, especially if you're fresh graduate entering the workforce for the first time. When answering about weaknesses, you can mention a trait that you have been trying to improve. Example, I always consider myself a perfectionist. When I work, I always make sure the work I do is perfect. I pay attention to the details of my work and actively ask for suggestions from my colleagues and boss to achieve a great work. When talking about weaknesses, I sometimes can be a forgetful person, but I have been working on that by listing all my to-do lists and books that I can carry everywhere. Number 3, why are you interested in this position? Okay, interviewer often ask this question to answer that you understand this position you are playing for and also give you an opportunity to sell your relevant skills. Example to answer. This position fits perfectly with my skills. As I mentioned before, I have been teaching guidance and counseling to kids for years. With those experiences, I can help your company reach its goals. I'm also looking for a place to grow in my career. I never had the chance to teach professionally in a school before. By applying for this position, I hope to gain this experience and use it as a starting point for teaching in school. Number 4, do you prefer working independently or on a team? There is no right or wrong answer to this question. The interviewer wants to understand your personality type and determine whether you are the good fit for the job. Some jobs require you to work independently, in groups, or a combination of both. Example for answer, I have no problem whether working individually or in a team. When I was teaching in the slum areas, I spent equal amounts of time working with my team and completing tasks independently. That experience trained me to work efficiently to finish my work. Okay, last number 5. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay, the interviewer will be impressed if you already have short-term and long-term career goals. Explain the skill you want to develop and achievement you want to attain while applying for this job. You can also share specific career goals you want to achieve after getting the job and how to achieve them. Example for answer. In 5 years, I would love to work as a senior editor in a magazine publishing company. I hope the work I do in this company will help me achieve that goal. All set. I hope you found this interview tips and question helpful. Remember to prep love, know your strengths, stay positive, and practice your responses to edge your next interview. See you soon!